Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? So today we're about to be heading to SAC and we're going to SAC Speed Shop, and today is the day that we give away the F body. Hopefully it's somebody local. If it's somebody local, I would like to go deliver it to them possibly later today or tomorrow. But if they're not local, then that'll be the end of that. We'll just have to ship it out. But hopefully it's somebody local, man. I think the last two car giveaways, people have been out of state. The last two have been New York, which is crazy. So it'll be nice to have a win for the home team. But if not, man, congrats to whoever's gonna be winning this thing, wherever it's gonna be going. You guys will be getting a extremely fucking sick car and literally a piece of automotive Bay Area history, because this car is known in this demographic and area like crazy. So big shout out to everybody that joined, you know, and we're gonna see who take this thing home today. Let's get ready to hit the SAC Speed Shop and let's get into today. That fitment though. Definitely digging the silver wheels back on the Fox. The Schmeedy setup. Got baby mama over here. What are you doing, baby mama? Boo, you wanna fight? You got problems? This thing's getting tuned. Woo, woo. Getting ready to get tuned this week. It's gonna be a good week this week. Get out my garage. Hi, we outie, we outie. Got little mamas with us today. Baby, you ready to see who's gonna win this F body? You ready to see who's gonna be the winner? We here, getting ready to do the giveaway on this thing. See where it's going. That motherfucker leaving. That thing is out of here. Where's that? Y'all got it buried? Man, where my Corvette at? Get to work, bruh.
It's a holiday, nigga.
Ain't no holiday, nigga. Get to work.
Hell no,
You ain't getting paid to do nothing, drink Starbucks.
It's a holiday. It's a holiday.
Here it is. Here it is. Today we figure out where this thing goes. Sexy ass LS3 F body, wild suspension, angle kit, candy paint, stupid clean interior. Somebody getting blessed today. When Christian went and slid this motherfucker, he was like, man, I should have kept it. Almost wanted to keep it. Somebody about to win it, and then we're gonna see it crashed. Leaving. Look at that angle, boy, look. Hey, bruh, look at that angle, bruh. Come on. Somebody about to get blessed. Somebody getting blessed. I know this is real gold.
Real gold?
It's real. Real gold. I think it's 24 carats.
Really?
Yeah. All right, so we just got off live. Just finished picking the winner. He's actually semi-local. He's about 7 hours away, so he's gonna be driving or flying down on Thursday to come pick this thing up. Cool part is he's already met Alex. I guess Alex has sold him some sway bars and a panhard bar something a few years ago. And he actually drove down because he wanted to see the shop and everything in person. Just, you know, being a fan of the Sax Speed Shop stuff. So it's dope that it's actually going to somebody that knows the car, who's like been in love with the car and kind of knows the history of it. He has an F body, so it's actually going to a good home, I think. So one of Alex's little fans or whatever is gonna win, but pretty dope, man. So we'll see him on Thursday to pick this thing up. I'm gonna definitely pull up. That way we can get his reaction and shit on for the first time. So I guess we'll just, you know, wait it out and let's just fast forward straight to Thursday. Hi, what's good? We back. Today is the day, bro. Come and pick this thing up. What's cracking? What you over here doing?
Trying to see these key forwards.
Man, you done broke the fob?
And they would work.
Oh, come on, bro. It wasn't like that before. Nigga, why you always sitting down?
Because I'm always working.
Out of nowhere.
I hear the winner.
I was doing.
The winner right here.
And I'm like, is that a white dude? And then you're like, yeah, I'm a white dude. I'm like, no, I remember that.
Yeah, that was fucking an 18.
Well, your fucking name, it sounded like an Asian dude.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna need you to stop cussing. I be tired of bleeping you out every time you cuss.
Bro, you said on the live at the Starbucks.
Oh man,
I got you.
Mike, I blocked your number, man. I blocked your number. I gotta do it for you, man. I really blocked you.
Look, hey, look.
How are you? What's cracking, bro?
Man, good to see you, bro.
Yeah, this is the winner right here. Flew down. He about to drive this thing back to SoCal. Nice, what, 7-hour drive? At least you got music and everything.
Man, I still don't believe it. I'm right here looking at the car. I still don't believe it, you know? Even when you called me, I had to watch the live like 3 times then. I was like, why are they fucking with me?
So you familiar with the car then?
Yeah. I seen it back in like 2018 when it had the wrap on it. But I mean, I haven't seen it like in person in a long time.
Oh yeah, all candy. It's candy. Man, don't cry because I'm gonna zoom all in your face.
No.
You better not cry.
Bro, this shit's so wet. I still can't believe it, man.
He took that deep breath.
I had to fly my brother out too because he didn't believe it either, you know?
Oh yeah, what's good, bro?
Wesley.
Mike.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
Fuck,
man.
Yeah, come walk around. Fuck, man. That's a crackling, crying voice, right? He about to cry. He about to cry.
Damn, bro. And with that.
There you go. There you go.
With the pink slip in it, bro. Oh my god.
Man, pull it up.
You want me to?
Yeah, go ahead.
It's yours. Shit ain't mine.
Man, I feel like I'm gonna pimp my ride, you know? I show up and they got the ride for me. You like Mad Mike right here. Alex Exhibit, where you at?
Call that nigga Exhibit. Yeah, man. Giveaway winner right here. Flew down to pick it up. Bye-bye. Watch how this color hit when the sun hit this thing. Keep on going. Keep going. Pull it in the sun.
Oh, no, we're there now. Hey, come on, bro. Come on, bro. This shit crazy,
good.
bro. This shit crazy, bro.
Oh my god.
What you gotta say for everybody thinking it's rigged?
Man, I'm gonna tell you straight up. I entered probably like 6 of these, you know? I spent like over $800 entering this shit, you know? Different ones, not this one. I only got 2 tickets on this one, man. I mean, I didn't think I'd win, you know, obviously. So when I got the call, that's why I fucking blocked your number, bro. I was like, what these fools calling for, you know? But then I seen the
916.
no, it says that. Oh. Yeah, because I got the caller ID. Yeah, so I seen that shit and I said, what's Alex calling me for, you know? And then I still thought you were fucking with me, you know? I still thought you were fucking with me. And then I got off the phone, I watched the live, and I still didn't believe it, you know?
Hey, you here, so you see, I mean, it's yours, bruh. Go drive it. Go take it down the block, yeah.
Want me to?
Yeah.
Hey, Cruz, let's go.
Yeah, both y'all go ahead. Let's get that first reaction. Gotta run. Floor that thing, blow it. He on the way back. Motherfucker looks stupid clean. So if we get one more. Dude, he down there cutting up. He cutting up. What you think? Which one's faster, this one or the other one?
This shit way faster than mine, I'm gonna tell you that much. This shit way faster than mine, bro. This shit handles it too. This shit's bad.
Oh yeah, the angle kit.
I didn't know how active you wanted me to get, you know what I mean?
Hey, as active as you feel comfortable with, it's yours.
I got class A, you know, so I gotta be careful.
He said this one a little tiny bit faster than his other one. He said his other one a gap this actually.
This thing bad. Ooh.
Engine out, paint job, fool. You gotta see the detail when you see it. You know, you got the V-links on it and everything, man. I mean, this ain't no joke right here.
The engine bay's dirty, bro. You just sitting here.
Ooh, don't be saying that shit to me. My shit clean. What you mean?
So the rundown on this shit, my boy Germs bought it from Alex.
Okay.
We put the LS3 in it. They threw a T56 in it. Rear end has some issues. I got it from my boy Germs. What, about a month ago? Month and a half. 2 months ago?
2 months.
Probably 3. I don't know. I let it sit in my backyard for a couple months. So
Appreciate you guys, bro.
That's
Appreciate
good.
you.
It's all good.
So when I got it, I got the tranny rebuilt. Literally probably about 2 weeks ago.
No, it feels good.
3 weeks ago now. Shit, I don't even fucking remember, maybe a month. But it has less than 100 miles on it.
Okay.
And everything. The rear end got rebuilt with a Detroit True Track and 390s in it for my boy. The LS3 is fresh too. The LS3 probably has roughly about 300, 400 miles on it. The rest of the shit probably has about 100 miles on it.
Yeah, you get a freshie.
That's fucking crazy, bro. I mean, shit, I still don't believe it. I'm driving that shit, you know?
The angle kit, my boy Germs put it on it. I have everything to reverse it. So if you didn't want the angle kit on the fucking car, we got the UMI lower control arms, the stock spindle, so you can reverse the shit. The only thing he did do, when he had it, he had to cut the front bumper.
Yeah, get it to fit. Yeah,
Clear the
yeah.
fucking tires. AC heater works. I got all that shit working because when I got it from him, none of that shit worked. So I fixed damn near everything on the fucking car. Slap works. Only thing I would do different when you get it home is put a catch can on it.
A catch can?
Yeah, put a catch can on it. It has a vent on it for now, but I will put a catch can when you get it home.
Mighty Mouse it.
Yeah. Other than that, the car's solid. We took it out to test it out sliding. What was it? Thunderhill.
Thunderhill.
Thunderhill?
Yeah.
They're fucking great out there.
Yeah. No, it feels good. It feels strong. It feels ready, you know?
Everything's there. Pink slip, man. I just need you to sign it.
Of course, brother. Of course.
How did it feel riding it?
Oh, fuck. Just got some power behind it for sure. But just kept climbing, just slamming gears, just didn't stop. Just still, just so torquey. Fuck.
Oh, yeah, thank you, brother.
God, that was so fun. It's so clean, too. You guys really did
system and everything,
a great
bro.
job on it.
Did you listen to it?
No, I haven't listened to it or nothing yet. I haven't listened to it or nothing.
It's dirty right now.
I mean, you know, you out here, you send it in person, but you know, hey, my cash offer still stands if you want to take the
I
cash.
don't need that, man. I don't need that. I need the car, man. I don't need no 20. I don't need no 20, bro.
Give you 20 right now. We go to the bank. I'll drive it home.
I'm gonna take this.
That's a real offer too. Shit.
It is.
I
It's a
know.
solid offer.
I only offer 5, but I was.
I know. I heard your offer 5.
I had that in my pocket, and we gotta go to no bank.
There it is, man. We're gonna be taking this thing. Last time we're gonna really get to see this thing. All right, man. Last thing I want to show y'all before we wrap it up.
There's
Look
the
at it.
appraisal right there.
There goes the appraisal value of this car. This thing got appraised through Haggerty and everything. Go ahead, show them the whole build process.
Look, we got November 3rd, 2020.
Praised, whole build process, the SEMA awards, everything in there for them. They slept on it. They slept on it.
Come on, bro. You see me rolling this one? Going to the 805.
I've been going too crazy. These niggas